Hello and welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Slack channel. So let's get started. Start by opening Slack and navigating to the workspace containing the channel you wish to delete. Once in the workspace, locate the channel you want to delete. Click on the channel name, then a drop-down menu will appear. Select Settings, and from here, click on Delete this channel. Slack will ask for confirmation before permanently deleting the channel and its content. Review the information provided and confirm your decision. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful videos here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.